As I sort the data on my chart, the bars change from being ascending to descending or descending to ascending, depending on what I press. Now, I'd love it if there were a way to add a little bit of polish and have the bars transition. Well, there is a way, and it's rather simple. Let's head to the code, and we'll find the place where we create the bars, and that's within the plot function, and that's at line 131. Now, we're looking for the place where we affect the attributes for the bar, and that's at line 155. So just before we start to set the x, y, and other attributes for the bar, let's create a new line and type .transition, and open and close parentheses. Now remember, D3 is designed to have all of these chaining functions in a single statement, so the .transition function allows us to create animations between states. Let's go to the web page and refresh. Now, as I click ascending, you see that the bars change from the previous state to the current state with a little bit of an animation. Let's apply this to the text as well. Copy this and head to the bar label portion where it's being updated and paste it just before the attributes. Save it, refresh, and now you see that the text labels follow the transition. We can affect the transition by simply appending more functions. I won't go over all of those functions now, just those that are most useful. Let's go back to the code, and just after transition, we'll type .duration, open and close parentheses, and for the argument, the time in milliseconds. So half a second is 500 milliseconds. Copy that and apply it to the transition that's on the bar as well. Save it and head to the web page. Now, when we sort, it takes a little more time. Go back to the code. We can also change the easing. .ease, and here we'll specify the string bounce. Copy that and paste it just under the transition for the bar. Save it, head to the web page and refresh. And here we see that there's a bouncing ease to the bars. Go back to the code, and finally we can delay these transitions by typing .delay and passing in the milliseconds we wish to delay, so half a second. So we'll paste that again and apply it to the bar. Go to the web page and refresh, and now you can see there's a delay and then it's drawn. Now you might be wondering, well, can we also apply this to the axis? And the answer is yes. We'll go back to the code and we'll copy these new 4 lines and head to the draw axis function, which is just above the plot function. And in the update portion, or the else clause, we'll paste it just above call. And let's fix the indenting. And we'll paste it here where the y-axis is updated too. Save it and head to the web page, refresh, then it appears. And now you can see that even the text will transition according to its position on the chart. Now there's a lot more to transitions than just what I've shown you. So I've gone ahead and opened the transitions portion of the D3 documentation. And this is where you check out more of the features of D3 transitions. Know that because of the way that D3 is designed, you can simply start to append more statements onto your calls to create attractive transitions and animations.